My eyes are turning red, staring at the ceiling fan. Confessions underneath his breath. I don't think he knows. Pull them towards my chest. I'm holding him with both my hands. He's somewhere far away again. When his eyes are closed, and when he wakes up, nothing I could do but hold my tongue and somehow try to breathe. 'Cause I know that he misses her, I know that he wishes I thought he was next to him instead of me. Why'd I hear him talking in my sleep? Why'd I hear him talking in my sleep? Every little moment feels like they were stolen, like we're on borrowed time. Her kisses lingering on his mouth, dishes in the sink while we're playing house. He's keeping her recluse like she's still around. I'm fighting with a ghost who can take me down.